Welcome to your journey into the world of Arduino. This course will guide you through the fundamentals of electronics and coding. In the first lesson, you will learn about the Arduino UNO microcontroller, your gateway to endless projects. We'll guide you through installing the Arduino integrated development environment, setting you up for success. Next, you'll write your very first sketch to print messages to the serial monitor. It's all about learning coding basics. In Lesson 2, we introduce the breadboard resistors and your first circuit, connecting an LED. You'll learn to code your LED to blink, bringing your first project to life. It's a thrilling moment. As we progress, you'll explore buzzers, 7-segment LEDs, and RGB LEDs, expanding your skills. You'll work with buttons to create interactive projects, enhancing your understanding of inputs. You will learn about for loops, functions, and delays, critical building blocks of coding logic. Throughout the course, collaboration and problem-solving will enhance your learning experience. Use the support chat if you have questions. Each lesson includes a pre-test and post-test, with an 80% passing mark, ensuring you grasp the concepts fully. At the end of the course, there is a final exam. Once you pass, we will send you your certificate. Completing this course will empower you to tackle projects confidently, opening pathways to innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's unlock your potential in electronics and coding.